let's start with the fundamentals. As you can see, I just filtered out only the important news. So on Tuesday, we have the PMIs, right? Product Manufacturing Index. And we have for Euro, GBP, and USD throughout the day. So I do see that market could go push the dollar to the downside before it pushes to the upside. So let's see how market performs. And on Wednesday, Audi CPI quarter to quarter, CPI year on year is coming up. So this means they're expecting it to go up for quarter on quarter. And if this number comes true, then we can expect some strength on Audi. And 3.4 year on year, if this comes a bit higher than this expectation, and I do see euro dollar Audi can become stronger as well. And on Thursday, we have advanced GDP quarter on quarter for dollar. They're expecting a drop from 3.4% to 2.5%. And if this comes true, then I do believe that we can expect some more downside for dollar. And on Friday, Japanese yen's Bank of Japan policy rate releases. So this could be a bit surprise here. So at their last meeting, they informed that they will be gradually increasing the interest rate. So they could increase the interest rate as well from here. So let's see what happens. And even if they keep it at the same level, I do see that yen could become a little bit strong due to this war situation. I know yen hasn't been acting as a safe haven for a very long time, but then at this moment, I do see that yen could pick up some momentum to the downside before it goes up. So, and then in the US session, we have Core PCE price index, and they're expecting it to stay the same. And if this comes a little bit stronger to the high side, probably 0.4 or 0.5, we could expect some dollar strength coming in. And revised UOM consumer sentiment, and they're expecting a tiny drop here. So let's see what happens here. So overall, what my concern is that beside the fundamental news, war situation in Israel and Iran. So I see that there's a lot of possibility market behave toward these two conflicts. So I see US dollar becoming stronger, and if this tension escalates, and gold becoming stronger, and so these two things I see that becoming stronger. So I have done my analysis based on these fundamental news. So let's go to the chart and see for ourselves what we have for the next week. So as usual, we're going to start off with DXY and then go to GBPUSD and then GBP yen, then EURAUD. Lastly, then we analyze the gold and we call it a day. As you can see, dollar is keep climbing up. So one of the main reason I see that is because of the war escalation with Israel and Iran. So last week, Israel started to hit back to Iran as well. So I think that since the tension is going high and high, I do see that there's a lot of potential market to climb up. So since dollar being the safe haven, so what I see is that there's a lot of possibility market to climb up further after a sort of a correction here. So I'm expecting some sort of like three-wave correction here before market shoots up, something similar to this, a smaller degree than this. So right here, market complete this and market shoots up further. And to me, the way I see it, there's a lot of possibility market to go break this top as well, since the tension, the war between Iran, Israel, and then Russia, Ukraine wars, and these things still lurking around. And I do see that a lot of possibility market to go higher and high, dollar being the safe haven. And so this is my analysis for next week. So early part of the week, I'm expecting some sort of push up, and then later, probably Tuesday, Wednesday, a shoot down, and then we look for buy on the dollar just below this low, somewhere in this zone as well. So we look for a buy to go up and break the top. And after that, there's possible market to give us a bigger correction or further upside. So we just need to wait and see how market perform right here. Pound dollar. Pound dollar, I'm expecting market to actually give a correction now. So as you can see, market completely dropping after every correction. So you can see market impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. So last night they dropped this to the downside. So at this moment in time, I'm biased to the buy. So I'm waiting for a buy at least to give me a pullback, or market can still give us a tiny drop, and then give us this big pullback, right? And like I explained on the DXY, I'm waiting DXY to give me a drop. So that drop can give us this upside. So at least a three-wave correction to the upside for further down if they want to drop it to the downside. So this downside could happen from Friday onwards. So this could be a complete impulsive move to the downside. So why I say that? Because now, as you can see, this part being the impulse and this part being the correction, and this definitely can go further down as well as it corrects and goes further down, further down, further down. And this can go and take the bottom as well. I do see that possibility exist, because now after this, it could be some sort of correction like this for market to go up if all the tension dies down. But if the tension does not die down, this could continue to go down also is possible. Definitely possible. So they can potentially go and take this bottom as well, and then further go up when the tension, everything is over. And so, as you know, I am trading wave by wave. So what I'm expecting market to do is to give me a correction, at least in the early part of next week. And then we will see how this wave to the upside perform. And based on that, we can trade whether we trade, if market gives us sharp move and then a correction, we trade to the upside, or market give us this corrective wave like this, we trade to the downside probably from Friday or Thursday onwards. And that's a lot of possibility like that, market to go like that. Even if market give us this correction, a bigger correction, market still will fall, right? And just to keep it clear, I'm expecting a buy momentum to happen anytime from Monday. And if this buy momentum is pretty strong, then I will definitely keep it to break this top and this top. And I would expect, if market give me a really corrective wave to the upside, one more drop to probably go to this level, 22122 500 level. and then we will look for a bigger correction and then further down. Pound yen has created this huge momentum to the upside, and just before it breaks the top, just on weekly, just before it breaks the top. So right now we are at 191,182, and the top is 195,819, and you can definitely take the top. And what I'm anticipating here is that there's possibility market to give us this complete correction before it shoots up. So market gave us this down move, and then market gave us this up move, and market needs to give us this down move now. So once this complete correction finishes, I expect market to shoot up. So I do see that market has been creating some liquidity here at this moment in time, and I expect market to come and break these bottoms and then clear the liquidity here at this point in time, right? And then from this price, market could shoot up to take the top. So this is what I see at the moment. And if I break it down for you, what I see on these waves, so you can see that this is my down wave, and this is my up wave, and between you see this correction here, right? And then for this up wave, market gave me this up wave. Now market, after this top, market is breaking to the downside. So you can see this wave has broken this move to the downside, and now market is trading to the downside, and I am biased to the downside at the moment. So I want market to give me this drop here, and after this drop I would expect market to shoot up. So I'm biased to the downside. So early part of the week and even during Friday, yen news also, market could drop this to the downside. So EURAUD, you can see the last week I mentioned that I'm expecting market to give me a complete expansion. So I was waiting market to give me a break of this low, and this being my, at the moment, this being my correction for this up move, market give me this up move to break the top one more time. But market did not break to the bottom, and what I see, there's still a possibility market to give that drop to the bottom and then market shoots up. So if the Aussie news comes through, the what do you call the CPI quarter on quarter, the year on year, if it comes true, I do expect this drop to happen, and this drop can take this bottom one more time, taking this bottom as well, and then we expect the move to the upside. So why I say that, it's like this. Now you can see market has given this drop and market shot up like this with 3-wave direction, impulse, correction, impulse. After that, market shut down and the market gave us this correction. Now for this up move, market gave us this down move and market gave us this up move, right? So now we can still expect one more drop. For this drop, market give us this drop and then market shoots up, right? So this will make the expansion. This is my analysis for EURAUD, and I will be looking for my sells from this level from Tuesday onwards, and the news is on Wednesday, so I'm expecting this to drop on Wednesday. So let's see how it happens. So these are the waves I can see in gold, and after this drop, market gave us this buy and this sell and this small correction and this sell. So here we have a correction in the middle, and market for this up move, market gave us this up move. Now what I'm anticipating is market to keep going up, because since this is my first corrective wave to the downside, and this is my second corrective wave to the downside. So this corrective wave can break the top as well. Since the tension is really high and high, and I'm expecting market to give me like some sort of like 5-wave direction like this, and this could go break the top, and it can climb up and up. So after that, market give us this one more drop, and before it continue to climb up. And I believe that when this all war situation over, then market will give us this big drop and a big correction to the downside. Probably market takes us to 2300 level or 2200 level in these levels. So we just wait and see. But at this moment in time, what I see is this, right? If I go to 1 hour, so you can see that market is giving us some sort of correction here. At this situation, after this move, market is giving some sort of correction here. So how can I analyze this correction? It's like this. So after this move to the down upside, you can see market came down, and the market did this correction, and then market broke this to the downside. So what I'm anticipating is that market give us this one more drop to the downside, making this a correction, 3-wave correction, and market continued to shoot up to take this previous top. And that's what I'm anticipating. And then if market continue to want to go up, there's possibility to that too. And once market hit 2500 level, and I'm expecting a drop from there, and it could be a corrective drop like this as well, or it could be a bigger drop as well. It depends how all these things escalates. One on the war side between Iran and Israel. So let's see how it goes. Hope my analysis helps you on the upcoming week. So just to give you a update, I'll be having a 2 days workshop. It's an online free workshop on trading, so you can gain genuine insight into the trading world. So it'll be happening Saturday and Sunday, 27th and 28th April, from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. You get 1 hour break. And the day 1, Saturday, we will cover all these subjects, and day 2, Sunday, we will cover all these subjects. And this will be happening via Google Meet, and you will get like holistic idea of how you can move forward in trading world, right? And this is my WhatsApp number. You can direct WhatsApp your name and email address to register. And this is completely free of charge. You don't need to pay anything for 2 days, and you can get enough insights. And then you can decide for yourself how to move forward in this trading world. And I really hope that you get the right introduction about this market, and then you move forward toward the right side. So I wish you all the best. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Have a great week trading next week.